Hello everyone. Today, we'll explore China's property seizure mechanism for debt recovery. Understanding property seizure in China. Property seizure is a key debt recovery mechanism in China. Creditors can apply to the court to seize a debtor's property if they fail to fulfill their obligations. Courts can seize, auction, or sell the debtor's property to repay the creditor. Legal measures for property seizure. Mortgage and pledge rights. If the debtor provided property as collateral, the creditor can exercise these rights. The court can seize and auction the mortgaged property to repay the debt. Asset preservation during litigation. Creditors can apply to the court to preserve assets during litigation, preventing the debtor from transferring or disposing of assets. Enforcement of judgment. After obtaining a court judgment, creditors can apply for enforcement. The court can seize the debtor's movable and immovable property to satisfy the debt. Practical steps for property seizure. Obtain judgment. Secure a valid court judgment or arbitral award. Identify assets. Investigate the debtor's property, including real estate and bank accounts. Apply for enforcement. Submit an enforcement application to the court with details of the judgment and assets. Court action. The court will seize the debtor's property, which may involve freezing bank accounts or check real estate. Auction and sale. The court may auction the seized property to recover the debt. Case study. Successful property seizure and debt recovery. A Canadian company obtained a court judgment against a Chinese debtor, but struggled to recover the debt. The company engaged a legal team to investigate the debtor's assets. Through legal proceedings, the team discovered the debtor owned real estate and equipment. The court seized and auctioned the property, allowing the Canadian company to recover the owed funds. Conclusion. Property seizure is an effective means of debt recovery in China. Understanding the legal framework and following practical steps can increase the chances of successful debt recovery. If you need assistance with debt recovery or other legal matters in China, contact Michael Schuetz lawyer at outlook.com or Mikhelksu at jinqunlawyer.com.